Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Do Now. Let's knock this out. Here we go. Number one, find the area of that. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. Obviously, that's a triangle. Area of a triangle is what? Oh, yeah, 1/2 base times height. It's kind of turned a little bit like this. This is the base. This is the height right here. So I got 1/2 times 19 times 16. Doesn't matter what order you put them in, because when you multiply, the order doesn't matter, because 2 times 1 is the same as 1 times 2, right? So 1/2 I'm going to put as 0.5 times 19 times 16, and I get 152. So the area is 152 yards squared, square yards. There we go. Cool. All right, next one. That was C. Looks like this. Ooh, with the area of this figure. Ready, set, go. All right. Area of a parallelogram is, oh yeah, base times height. So the base, this is 10 or 10. So it's the same thing because opposite sides are congruent. So it'd be 10 times the height, which is 7, which is 70 feet squared. There we go. Easy. So that's D. All right, next one. Volume of the rectangular prism. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. Here it is, 8, 5, and 3. So volume is area of the base times the height. The base is this. It's kind of not written like that. It's not drawn like that. But volume of a rectangular prism is also length times width times height. The reason why I write L that way is because I don't write an L this way, because it would be confused with a 1. So I write an L like cursive style. Equals 8 times 5 times 3. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 times 3 is 120 centimeters cubed. Volume is cubed, 3 dimensions. Area is squared, 2 dimensions. That's how you remember it. There you go. Okay. Last one. Doing good. All right. That was B. Let's go to this one. Ooh. Right, triangular prism. What do you got? Ready, set, go. Okay, so you're going to find the area of the base times the height. So volume is area of the base times the height. The base is a triangle here. And we know the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the height is obviously 48. This is the base right here. What is this? Oh, it's written down here. Damn. 50. Move it up. If that's 50, that's 50. It's the same. So it's 1/2 times 50 times 48. So that's the area of the triangle right here. This is the triangle area. Now I need the height of the whole thing. What's the height of this? How thick is it? How long is it? How high is it? All those things are the same thing. Yeah, 80 right here. This 60 has nothing to do with the problem. That's just the side of the triangle, but that's not the base of the height. So right here is the height of the prism. So I times that by 80. All right, calculator it up. 1/2 is 0.5 times 50 times 48 times 80 is 96,000. There you go. So area is 96,000 cubic centimeters, or centimeters cubed. There we go. So that would be D. Nice job, everybody.